Good morning. So as you guys can see, I am headed to the post office to go drop off a few packages, but I forgot to introduce myself. I'm so sorry. My name is Cindy Jones. I make business vlogs and I also make lifestyle vlogs, so on and so forth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos because I upload at least once a week. But yeah, like I was saying, we are headed to the post office because I need to drop off a few packages, and then I gotta go swing by Walmart, and then I might go to Sephora today or tomorrow, but I think we're going to Sephora today. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna go today to Sephora, go to Home Goods, and I think that's about it. I don't really have nothing to do today but relax, so we'll see. But I'll see you guys in these streets. Like, I don't know why I feel so tired, but I'm not. But I'm gonna see y'all in these streets. Sephora, I'm looking for the topicals. If I can find it. Found it, period. I came for one more thing in here. I don't know what it was, but I really came for this, to look for this. Let me see what else you're gonna get. This smells good. This is also just to make sure, like, for this one, like $35, just to be on the safe side. Yeah. Hold on, let me, I think so, but let me double check. Okay. Oh, I didn't even look. Are all these like 50% or like certain ones?
No, certain items are 50%. Which one are you looking at?
This one right here. Or probably this one. Oh, this one right here.
Can I open your video? First, with the 30%, $2.
Okay, then yeah, I'll grab that one.
That one. Anything else?
No, that's it. Are these masks good? You tried them before?
Okay. It's more, it depends more like what you're looking for. They have like hydration.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, hydration. Because my skin gets dry during the winter time.
Nourishing, soothing. This one, if you're really dry, it's a good one. See, purifying and clarifying if you want brightness. This one for more radiance, and this one is moisturizing glow. So if you're dry, okay, these two. And they're 30% off.
Okay. When is sale end? So this Sunday?
Sunday.
I think I'll come back then this Sunday.
Okie dokie. See you soon.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I didn't get my bag yet. Oh. Thank you. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Sephora got a lot of cute stuff. I need to start getting with the girlies and get me some stuff up in there, baby. They have some cute stuff. I'm about to go right across the street in Nordstrom Rack. I haven't been in that store in forever. I'm about to go in there and see what they have, and then when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, my hair's all beanie. When I get home, I'm gonna show y'all my haul. But yeah, I'm at Chick-fil-A. Hold on now, I wanna, you know, mess up my rims. But y'all, why is my lashes, I literally did my lashes like a week ago. Why is all my lashes is like, it's like, what is this? Like, I don't have nothing here. I'm about to just cancel my appointment at this point and let her keep that deposit, because like, I don't understand why I don't have any lashes, like, whatsoever. It's, I don't know, whatever. I was trying to try somebody else, but I I guess I'm gonna have to try somebody else again, because there should be no reason why I don't have no lashes. No reason whatsoever why I don't have no lashes. But nevertheless, I am headed to the laundry mat to go get my comforter washed, because I have a king size and it does not fit in our washer at all. Even when I had a queen bed, it was not even fitting at all, like whatsoever. So I get them washed at the wash house. It's like down the street from my house. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to eat my food and wash this comforter set. Okay, y'all, so I am back from roaming these streets, and I end up stopping at Sephora. If y'all seen, I went to Sephora and I end up getting me this. I got this topicals. I see the girls be raving about this on TikTok, so I was like, let me try this out. It comes with 6. I end up spending only $48 today at Sephora, so this came up to $17.60, and I'm gonna attach it if you guys want to get it. But it comes with 6 pairs. It's supposed to help hydrate, depuff, and also brighten. So I end up getting this because, you know, like, look at all these. Yeah, so I had to get it. So I end up also getting this product that I just opened it, like, literally, but it comes just like this. And this is the one that I got. Let me like have it zoom in. I'm in focus. So I end up getting this one. I end up getting that one. When I tell y'all it smelled good, when I was smelling it in the store, I was like, this smells good. Like, me personally, with me, I like more of sweeter scents. Also like wood scents, but I like more of a sweeter scent. So I end up getting that. So it comes with, let me see how much I paid for it also. So I got that for $25. It's normally $32. I don't know, when I seen it on the thing it said $35, but hey. So I end up getting this that comes with it, and I also got this. This is like on a puff. It's like a puff that you could use. I mean, I said a puff, I'm sorry, a dab. You dab it, I'm so sorry. That's what I end up getting. Like, it's so fire. So I end up getting those 2 things. So I end up getting these 2 things. When I tell y'all, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. If you like more on the sweeter side, I would definitely recommend getting these because it smells amazing. Last but not least, y'all, guess what came? So I ordered the T3 from their website because I seen that it was more cheaper to get it from the website than going to Ulta to get it, because I missed it for the Black Friday sale. I wasn't really paying it on mine. So I end up getting it and I'm so excited. I can't wait, because when my hairstylist did my head, she was using this on it, and when I say my curls lasted, it lasted. So I can't wait. How the box look, I'm gonna open it in front of y'all. Y'all look, oh my god, like I got this. I'm like so excited. Like, what? Huh? This is so cute. Like, look at this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try it. I think I'm gonna try it tonight. Yes, I'm gonna try it tonight because me and my husband going out to eat. But like, what? Huh? But this is how it looks. Let me have it focus on it. If it focused. My camera been tripping lately. I don't know what's been going on with it. But let's open it up and see. So it comes with, it says free additional year of warranty. And then I guess you gotta register the product, blah blah. They do have different inches you could buy on the website, and so on and so forth. I guess this is an instruction. Does it come with gloves? I know a lot of them come with gloves. I guess not. This doesn't come with any gloves. What else? So this is it right here. So cute. It's giving rich, bougie. So I end up getting this one. I probably should have got I think I should have got the other one. I brought that for $106 or $9. I got a really good deal because I think this is normally, I don't know, let me just double check. I paid $115 for it. I believe it says it took off a discount, so let me see if I could click the website and see how much I normally. So it shows that this one costs normally $169, and right now they have an 100. Right now it is $127.49, and I had used the coupon code when I put it in, but I'm trying to see if the coupon's still on there if you guys want to get it. but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. They also have one that rotates, but that one, I think that one is $200, but I didn't end up getting that one. But yeah, I'm gonna try it out tonight and see if it holds up to what it says it's gonna hold up to. But yeah, this looks like amazing. I love it. It looks so pretty. I'm about to, I think that sums up everything that I got today. I had a really good day. I didn't even go to Home Goods. I don't think I'm going to Home Goods. I don't think I am. I don't know. But not today though. But nevertheless, I'm about to get ready to watch me some TV, and then I gotta leave back out in 2 more hours to go get a facial with my mom. So I'm headed to my appointment, you guys, and as soon as I'm about to get up, like literally I get a notification from TikTok saying, hey, you got a violation. And then the violation says 4 points for a prohibited product, which I just don't understand. Like it's like y'all just pick and pick and pick. There's people that's selling the same product that I'm selling, like literally selling the same product I'm selling, and they had 50,000 sales, but y'all picking on little old me. Like, it's so annoying. But anyway, I appealed it because I did not tell y'all this could help with anything health related or anything. I didn't put any of that. So I'm just not understanding like where all this is coming from. Like, what are you guys talking about? I need to show y'all need to just show me the proof, because I'm not seeing it. And it's just like, it pisses me off because y'all act like we in school. Y'all giving us points for like little things, and if you reach a certain point, your shop is permanently closed. It's like, I'm just like over it. I'm just over it. I'm just really over it. But other than that, y'all see all my lashes is off. Like, all my lashes are off. That's how easy it was to take all my lashes off. And she was talking about, oh, you need to clean your lashes. The retention is, you know, that's gonna help the retention. Baby, they help no doggone retention, baby. I don't know if it's that glue she's using or what she's using, but it should be no reason after 3 days. I had about, like, if I could count on my fingers, about like 7, 8, 9 lashes done came off. And she said that's totally normal. That's not normal. I've got my lashes done before. The reason why I went to her, because you know, her glue is better. The lady I was using before that, I don't know what type of glue she was using, if I was allergic to it. That stuff was irritating my eyes every time I wake up, every time I blink. My eyes was irritated. But enough of me rambling. I'm supposed to probably be going out to dinner tonight. I'm not sure. Probably just go grab some drinks, but I'm gonna talk to you guys later. So we are out back. We about to get the Boomarita. Oh, where's that little? Give me back my menu. You look for it. So we about to get the Boomarita. That's right here. They come with 4 drinks, right?
Sorry?
They come with 4 drinks?
Yeah, so they're small glasses, and the total liquor content is only really equal to 1 drink.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's just to sample all the flavors of margaritas that we offer.
Okay, can I get that, please? Huh? You want one too?
Can you leave a light ice on it?
So what page is the chicken wings?
They're on this right side here.
Right here?
They're the cucumber wings.
Got it.
Do you want to do those?
Yeah. Can I get mild, please? And they only come with blue cheese dressing?
You can do ranch as well if you want.
Okay, thank you.
I'll get this going for y'all.
When we get our drink, we're gonna rate them, right, boo? I'm gonna see if it's gonna get me drunk or it's just syrup. This the drinks right here, period. You ready to mess it up?
Yeah.
This one tastes like water. Bonnie said, damn, Cindy. That one tastes real good though. It tastes fire. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, they tell you what they are though. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you what did we taste? They said that this one is a watermelon. Do you think it tastes like a watermelon? Do we have a mango, a blackberry, gold tequila?
Which one you think we just had?
I think we had watermelon. I think.
Which one they had the flavor of?
Anyways, y'all, the second one. This one they gave us a lemon. I mean a lime. So this is it right here. This one's real good. Let me drink some of it. Cause you playing. I don't like that. You playing with them people's stuff. That one tastes real good. We gonna wait for the last two. We gonna wait for the last two to drink it when they bring out we gonna wait on the last two when they bring out our wings, cause I don't want to be drunk on an empty stomach.
These ones here.
You gotta say it again. Say it again.
These ones here.
Baby, all we ordering is gonna be appetizers. We don't want nothing else. You ready to try the other one? Okay, we about to get ready to try next drink. I don't know what this is. Hold on. It's gonna taste like that. You ready?
I'll be right back.
That one real good. It's strong. They don't taste that strong. Try my last one. What is strong? What is that? I think this is gold tequila. This tastes really, really strong. That's strong. Damn, boo. It's strong. That drink right there, that gold tequila is real strong. I'm gonna get these drinks for 8 out of 10. But they're real good. When I tell y'all that liquor got me like drunk, that liquor got me drunk. But I'm in and out of this vlog, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like this video, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.